manufacturing with me? Sure. Let's go.
Hello, my name is Dale Harrison, past president of Schwab Company, and I've been here about 50 years. And we've done work for Disney and several other artists. All the cars you see with fancy wheels, aftermarket wheels, a lot of those are spun. The trumpet, the trombone, the flare on the end, those are all spun. Makes it a very interesting occupation.
Hello, I'm Thomas Halligan. I've worked here for 20 years as a manual hand spinner.
Hey, Charlie Brown, what seems to be the problem?
What seems to be the problem? What isn't the problem? Snoopy's dog bowl is cracked and got microplastics in it. Do you know where you can find a custom metal bowl?
Yeah, Schwab is actually the perfect place because they make custom metal products. Let's see if they can make Snoopy a new dog bowl.
Schwab has some pretty cool machines. Can you tell us about them?
We do multiple things here. We do everything from laser cutting to robotic welding, robotic grinding, CNC spinning machines, which are the equivalent of what I do. This is all manual press work. We can pretty much make anything that you can think of here.
My name is Adam Majiri. I've been here almost a year, and I'm a continuous improvement project supervisor.
Hey, Charlie Brown, we should stop for a little bit and, kick the football.
You're just going to pull it away like you do every time.
No, I promise I won't. Come on.
I'm going to kick this ball to the moon!
We manufactured a lens cap on the moon, the Apollo 11 missions, and it's still up there to this day.
My name is Brad Harrison. I'm a vice president at Schwab Company. I've been here for 16 years.
This is so cool. I want to work in manufacturing.
Sally, you will never be able to work here.
Actually, you can work here. There's a lot of great opportunities. You could be on the floor working in production. You could be in the office helping manage shop orders. You could be on the road as a driver. There's a lot of great opportunities here.